Dom Hallam from Vacvator. I'm the National Sales Manager. I'm here to introduce our new Heavy Vac industrial services truck. It's a truck that can do anything you want it to do. Full NDD, wet mode, dry, concrete powders, dust, a 300 CFM air compressor for digging with an air lance. This is our Jetta. That's our 350 litre, 2450 PSI, 1.25 inch hose. The hose reel will slew out for jetting at up to 2 metre diameter pipes. It's on a Volvo 10x4 with a rear steerable, 540 horsepower. It has got ROPS capability for mine sites. Some of the key features would be our cyclone and dust system, which we carry over on all of our units. If you're doing full dry capable, we can reverse suck out of these back to tank. The same out of our filters to keep the truck constantly working. It'll just self-empty until you fill the truck, and at that point your scales will usually tell you you're full, you can go and empty. The other key features, the air side of it, the air lance, good in friable type sedimentary sands, where if you want to reuse the product, you can reuse it on site by tipping it out. The 5000 CFM, sit on the top end of industrial services truck. A lot of volume, a lot of product move very quickly, 9,000 litres to fill. The Jetta, we can carry 5,000 litres of water. We run a CAN bus system on our trucks, so as far as control systems on them, very, very simple. There's not heaps of solenoids and valves and switches. It's all done through a CAN system, and that screen allows the operator very simple operation, whether he's switching between standard NDD mode if he wants to dig a hole, and then if he turns around and says, oh, well, I could probably go to dry on this, one button controls everything. So each mode has a colour code, and they can just walk up and press that, and that matches our remote. It's a belly pack remote, and on our belly pack, it's just mirrored off our control system. So as far as training staff, it's very, very quick and easy. There's not a sequence of switches and buttons and levers they've got to pull to make it work. It's just one button, away you go. And that's standardised across all our models, where it's a small one or a big one. So if you had a fleet of our trucks, every operator can go from that truck to that truck. It's all exactly the same. It's an FMX Volvo, so it's got a double skin chassis because of the environments that it works on. If it's on some pretty rugged roads or if it's on sites, and they do have a bit of body roll in them, we want these trucks to last. So that's why we went with the FMX. The advantage of this is for remote areas, the Pilbara, central South Australia, central Queensland, where they're travelling great distances out to a mine site or a job. When they get there, the truck doesn't just do one job. This truck can go out to a job and do everything you need it to do and then come home again.